Welcome! Today, we'll explore how to restore SMS messages from Google One. First, ensure you have Google One installed on your device. Let's check your plan options. Open the Google One app and navigate to the Backup section. Select SMS Restoration. Choose the SMS backup you want to restore. Review the details before proceeding. Tap Restore and confirm your selection. Your messages will be restored shortly. Finally, check your SMS app to verify that your messages are back. Enjoy reconnecting. If you encounter issues, verify your internet connection and check your Google One backup settings. Also, regularly update the Google One app to benefit from the latest features and fixes. Remember, your SMS messages can only be restored if they were backed up previously. For more help, visit the Google One support page for detailed guides. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Have questions or feedback? Drop them in the comments below.